Our story begins long before humans, in a world reshaped by the asteroid that ended the dinosaurs. In the aftermath, small, furry mammals, our distant relatives, emerged, including proto-primates like Purgatorius. These early creatures had grasping hands and forward-facing eyes, perfect for life in the trees. This primate package, flexible joints, nails instead of claws, and growing brains, set the stage for our lineage. Why did these traits evolve? Life in the trees demanded agility, depth perception, and fine motor skills for climbing, hunting insects, and finding fruit. These adaptations weren't random, they were survival tools in a complex three-dimensional world. The blueprint for being a primate was established tens of millions of years before anything human appeared. Every time you use your hands or judge distance, you're drawing on this ancient inheritance. Our story is rooted in the legacy of these small, adaptable ancestors. Their success in a post-dinosaur world made everything that followed possible. The next chapter features the higher primates, anthropoids, including monkeys, apes, and us. Fossils like Eosimias, the dawn monkey, were found in China, suggesting our higher primate ancestors began in Asia. But Africa, separated by the Tethys Seaway, became the true cradle of primate evolution. Early anthropoids likely crossed to Africa by island hopping or rafting on vegetation, a risky, pivotal journey. Climate change wiped out Asian populations, but those in Africa thrived and diversified. In Africa, these primates split into New World monkeys, Old World monkeys, and apes. Africa's unique environments fueled the next evolutionary leaps. Without that migration, our lineage might have ended. Africa became the main stage for primate evolution, setting up the rise of apes and eventually, humans. The journey from Asia to Africa was a turning point for our entire family tree. After settling in Africa, apes, hominoids, emerged during the Miocene, about 23 million years ago. Apes differ from monkeys: no tails, larger brains, and flexible shoulders for swinging. Proconsul, an early ape, had a mix of monkey and ape traits, showing our evolutionary transition. Global warming created vast forests, allowing apes to spread from Africa into Europe and Asia. For millions of years, apes flourished and diversified across continents. But as the climate cooled, forests shrank, and most Eurasian apes vanished. Only a few survived in Southeast Asia: orangutans, gibbons, and Africa. African apes, ancestors of gorillas, chimps, and humans, endured thanks to Africa's mosaic of forests and savannas. This environmental diversity became the engine of evolution for African apes. The challenges of changing habitats pushed one lineage toward a radical new way of life. The stage was set for the next big leap: walking upright. Survival in Africa's shifting landscapes would shape our destiny. Around 7 million years ago, our ancestors split from chimpanzees, not by brain power, but by walking upright. Bipedalism, the hallmark of hominins, was a response to Africa's changing landscape of woodlands and grasslands. Walking on 2 feet was energy efficient, freed the hands, and offered a better view over tall grass. Fossils like Sahelanthropus and Auroran show early signs of upright posture and weight-bearing legs. Ardipithecus ramidus, Ardi, had adaptations for both climbing and bipedalism, a true transitional form. Australopithecus, including the famous Lucy, perfected upright walking with curved spines and bowl-shaped pelvises. The Laetoli footprints, 3.6 million years old, capture our ancestors walking side by side. This shift wasn't just about posture, it was the first step toward becoming human. Bipedalism opened new possibilities for tool use, social life, and survival. The journey on 2 feet would transform our lineage forever. Our upright walk is the legacy of those who adapted to a world in flux. The road to humanity began with a single step. For millions of years, upright hominins had small brains and simple lives, but just over 3 million years ago, the genus Homo emerged, bringing stone tools and bigger brains. Homo habilis, handyman, made the first Oldowan tools, simple stones with sharp edges for cutting meat. Access to meat and marrow fueled brain growth, creating a feedback loop. Smarter brains made better tools, and better tools fed bigger brains. Homo erectus appeared 2 million years ago, with a larger brain and a body built for endurance. This species was a skilled hunter and the first to leave Africa, reaching as far as Georgia. The oldest Homo erectus fossils are still found in Africa, confirming our origins. Tool use and brain expansion set our genus apart from all others. These innovations allowed our ancestors to adapt, migrate, and thrive. The leap from simple tools to complex thinking began in Africa. Our story is one of invention, adaptation, and exploration. The seeds of humanity were sown with stone and fire. The final chapter. Homo sapiens, our own species, emerged in Africa. Fossils from Ethiopia and Morocco date our origins to at least 300,000 years ago. These early humans had a mix of modern and archaic features, but were unmistakably us. DNA tells the same story. The greatest genetic diversity is found in Africa, showing we've lived there longest. The out-of-Africa model is clear. Modern humans arose in Africa, then migrated out around 60,000, 70,000 years ago. All non-Africans descend from this small group, carrying only a fraction of Africa's genetic diversity. As we spread, we met and interbred with Neanderthals and Denisovans, but our roots remained African. Fossils and genetics together make the case for our African origin unshakable. We are all, at our core, Africans, no matter where we live today. Our shared DNA is a testament to a single, remarkable journey. The story of Homo sapiens is a story of movement, adaptation, and unity. Our past is written in our bones and our genes. New discoveries add twists to our story, but the core remains. Africa is our evolutionary home. Fossils like Danuvius in Germany and early Homo sapiens in Greece hint at complex migrations and experiments in upright walking. These finds enrich, not overturn, the African origin theory. Evolution is a tangled bush, not a straight line, full of dead ends and surprises. The mountain of evidence still points to Africa as the crucible that forged us. Our deep history shapes how we see ourselves and each other. The differences we notice, skin, hair, features, are recent, superficial adaptations. Genetically, we are nearly identical, sharing a common heritage. Our shared origin is a powerful reminder of our unity as a species. We're the descendants of resilient pioneers united by a single story. Our future, like our past, is one we must face together.